Well, hello there. Hey, welcome. Have you ever dreamed of breaking free from the daily grind? Maybe creating a laptop lifestyle or building that reliable income stream to enjoy retirement on your terms? Well, if so, you're in the right place, right? Welcome to Limitless Passive Income YouTube channel. Now, where we explore how to build real sustainable income online, no matter your age or experience level. Now, who am I? Well, my name is Henry Jose, and I've actually been in the world of building side income, passive and semi passive income through home based businesses, traditional businesses, offline and online. And in today's world with digital marketing and affiliate marketing, and even investing outside of your traditional strategies for over 30 years. Now, along the way, I've really learned what works, what doesn't, and how to simplify the process so that anyone can succeed, especially today with AI. Now, whether you're looking for extra income to achieve your dream lifestyle, or you're just sick and tired of struggling to grow your current online business, well, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Now, what's this channel about? Well, this channel, you'll be getting and I'll be sharing proven strategies, step-by-step tutorials, and actionable tips to help you build passive and semi-passive income streams. Now, our focus is through affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and using powerful tools like the AI Powered Limitless Lead System and Limitless Passive Income System, systems that I've created alongside with other systems to make it easier than ever to succeed. Now, we won't stop there. I'll also introduce you to creative ways to grow your wealth, from non-traditional investments to exploring unique income sources that, you know what, most people overlook or don't even hear about. Think of this channel as your ultimate guide to achieving financial freedom, no matter where you're starting from. Okay? Now, who's this channel for? Well, this channel is for two types of people. One, if you're new to looking at a way to build passive or semi-passive income, maybe you've heard it through digital marketing or affiliate marketing, maybe even network marketing, and want to start generating income online, I'll show you how to build a solid foundation and avoid the mistakes that many beginners make. Now, if you're already a marketer but feel stuck or overwhelmed, I'll provide you with tools, systems, and insights that you need to break through and finally see results. My goal is to keep things simple, relatable, and actionable so that you can move closer to your dreams one step at a time. No hype, just real talk, okay? You see, there's never been a better time to get started. With the rise of digital marketing and the incredible advancement in AI tools, the opportunities to build passive income are endless and much simpler nowadays. This isn't about making a quick buck. It's about building a lifestyle that gives you freedom. Freedom to spend more time with loved ones, travel, and focus on what really matters to you. Okay? So, if you're ready to take action and start creating a life that you love, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below and turn on that notification so that you never miss a video. I'm going to be posting weekly content designed to help you learn, grow, and achieve your income goals. And hey, while you're here, leave a comment below and letting me know what your biggest dream is, or maybe even challenges if you're a current marketer. I'd love to hear it and see how we can work together. Okay? Thanks for stopping by Limitless Passive Income YouTube channel. Let's make your dreams a reality together. We'll see you on the next videos.